So the screencast, just to pick up from where we left off on the icons. So first of all is this icon here, which is the select background color icon. Now it's more of a highlight than a background color. I'll show you what I mean. So I will highlight this paragraph. So you select the paragraph you want to highlight, and you can either select it if you've got the color already. As you can see, this one's green. And that will change it, or if you select the little arrow next to it, you get a selection of colours. Change that to yellow, and you can see that sort of highlights it. The next icon here is your horizontal ruler. You select that and it will create a 1 pixel horizontal ruler. You've also got this icon here, which gives you a custom horizontal rule. You can give it a width. Let's give this 200 pixels, and give it a height of 3. And you can give it a shadow or take the shadow away, insert that, and there you can see is the horizontal rule. This is your remove formatting icon. So as you can see, we've got this here. Select that and it removes the highlighting from it, or again any other formatting that you've got. So if you've got alignments left, right, select that, you can remove all the formatting from there and do that. This is to toggle any hidden things that you've got in, such as an anchor. So if I add an anchor, call this anchor 1. As you can see, it's there, but it's an invisible icon. If you unclick that, you can't see it anymore. Select it again, and there it is. Next icon is your subscript and postscript. The superscript, sorry. This is for things like H2O. You can make the 2 lower, or if anything that's superscript, you can make it up there as well. Obviously H2O there. For things like this, if you can't make it yourself as you can with H2O, you have the symbol icon there. This is for stuff like your copyright, registered sign, trademark, and you've got a whole number of icons in here that you can select from. So that's what you use them for. You've got your insert embedded media. That's for things like videos, Flash. You've got your QuickTime, Shockwaves, Windows Media Player, and your Real Media. Just select whichever one that you want to upload and find the file that you want to upload. We've only got the one there. Select that, and that uploads that to your site. We've done this one. This one is just a print icon, like any other print icon. Select it and it'll print the page. You've got your paragraph alignment. So if you do left to right or right to left, so this starts from the right, and as you type, your text appears from the right, sorry. Or if you do it from the left, it's just as it is normally. This is new layers, such as divisions. Now you can position these anywhere you want. Oops. I'll leave that there. Again, you can just drag that and you can put that wherever you want on the page. It's absolutely positioned. And if you've got more than one, so new layer 2, the next icon says which one is on top. So as you can see, you can move this one to the back, bring it to the front, again with this one, so then it just sets whichever one's in front. If they've got background colours or whatever, you can do that. You've got your visual control characters. If you click out of there, and you can toggle that on or off. We haven't got any in here, so it doesn't display any. You've got your insert or edit attributes. So if you're selecting something that has attributes, such as the divisions there, you can change things, give it a title, an ID, a class if you've got classes, change the style, the text direction, tab index. The tab index is these. This is more a developer role if you know a little bit of HTML, but you don't know how to code the HTML. This is how you do it. And lastly, you've got your tables, so you just select wherever you want your table and select the insert a new table icon, and you can select your rows and columns. We'll have 3 columns and say 5 rows. Cell padding is the padding within the cell around the text. Got 2 there, and your cell spacing is the spacing between each cells. So we'll do 6. The alignment is the alignment of the table, so we'll have that to the right just to show it, and a border. We'll have a border of 4. So you've got your width and height, 300 by 300. Any classes, table captions, and again you've got your advanced properties there, border colour, background colour, etc. Insert that, and there you've got your table. I'll just move these divs out of the way. Move that one up there. And you can start adding text. So as you can see, you've got your cell spacing there between the cells, and then you've got your cell padding as well. Oops. There you go, and it automatically resizes it. So if I now update that, I'll say the page has been updated, and then view the page. You can see this is to do with the absolute positioning. So if I go back and edit that page, so there, just make sure that it's within the lines. I'll move it up here. So there you go, so it's within the lines there. Refresh that, and there you go, it's now within the page.